Hello, guys. I greet you all. My name is Abaroma Ozamiri. I declare abundance of life. I declare mercy. I declare upliftment in our lives today. As I declare, so shall it be. He said. Now, I quickly want to talk about something. Something that have cost so many of us a lot of stuff spiritually. That thing I want to talk about is the importance of the importance of observing and working with your spiritual timing. Those people that say that there is time for everything, they are not stupid. That adage, or should I say proverb anyway. So there is time for everything, and everything that we do in life works with time. And once you miss that time, it is a very big mistake for you. Just like some people that maybe there is a time for them to be connected to their finance, to their money release spiritually, and then they miss that chance through their inconsistency, or through their carelessness, or through their ignorance or negligent. Now you see that before you go back, or before I don't think it is possible for you to for that time to to be reversed, because time is always like tick 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 tick, as it's tickling, you understand. As time is ticking, you understand, you are getting closer to your blessing, or you have passed that stage in life and you are about to embrace a new one. Just like people that also have calling, do you understand me? People that also have calling, there is a time for you to do that, to start working. When you don't do that thing at that particular time, you begin to do what? You begin to carry it over. And that carryover, you might not be able to succeed. That is 70% chances for you not to succeed, and you have 30% chance to succeed. When you carry over whatsoever, after you must have lost the time. So it is good in your spiritual life you work with, and that is why people like us, there are some work that when we want to do it, we have time for that work. This is the best time to do that work. When you do it, you get the result. This is the hour to do that work. So if you are not paying attention to your time, you are exhausting your time. You are exhausting your time. It is going to make you to miss a lot of things. It is going to make you to make a lot of mistakes, which might be very, very difficult for you to do, or to get them corrected. Do you understand me? Like, there are some people that have their timing to get married is at their early stage. There are people that their timing to get married is at their late or middle stage. Now, if you are destined for early marriage, for example, and you are not paying attention to your timing, that is why you should be spiritually conscious and alert. Don't think that everybody's coming to you asking for your hand in marriage, that you are the only girl or the only lady. There are some people, but that is a sign to show you that now is your time. And you have to do what? You have to look deep. You have to grab that opportunity. You have to be ready. You have to prepare yourself. If I have the gift of getting, or the destiny to get married at my old age, maybe at my 40s or at my 30s, you understand, and you have the gift to get married at your 20s, you see, if you see me saying that, oh, I don't want to get married now, and you are trying to do the same thing with me, you are missing your time. And once you miss your time, you are going to find it difficult to get married. And even if you get married, it won't be the same with the man that you missed during your timing. So if you're a spiritual person, it is important to understand the importance of time in spirituality. And when you understand the importance of time and you begin to work with it, it will help you not to make a lot of mistake in this journey. Because some of you, the reason why you do some kind of work or some kind of ritual and you say that, oh, I did not get the desired result, it's because you did not use the actual time that you're supposed to. Maybe the time have passed that you're supposed to do this thing, or you are not intentional. I'm coming to that one. That should be a topic on its own. Being intentional about what you want when you are doing your thing. So, but this one, we are talking about timing. So you have to be conscious about your timing. You have to work with your time. It will help you, because if you miss your time, to retrieve it might not be difficult, because time don't go backward. Time is doing what? Going forward. Time is moving. Time is moving. Time is moving. The more time is moving, the more you are supposed to be doing another thing at that point. You understand? You are not supposed to be going back to the ones that you have done, what that you have missed, because you are not paying attention. So you have to be what? You have to pay attention to your spiritual timing and work with it. It is going to help you. That is why when you go for some spiritual counseling, your spiritualist might tell you, this prayer you need to do it by 12 midnight. This prayer you need to do it by 9 a.m. This prayer you need to do it, you understand me, by 3 p.m. That is the spiritual timing for you to get connected with the forces that worked at that time. You have to be conscious of that. Generally, time is important, and this is what we should not play with. Thank you so much, and remain blessed. You have any message, please kindly, any question, you kindly drop it here under the comment section. Thank you.